Past perfect continuous tense. Sustained energy-saving activities. The past perfect continuous tense is a verb form that indicates actions or events that started in the past and continued for a period of time before another action interrupted them. This tense is often used to describe sustained activities or ongoing processes in the past. In this tutorial, we explore how the past perfect continuous tense can be applied to energy-saving activities, with numerous examples to illustrate its usage. One common activity that people engage in to save energy is insulating their homes. For example, by the time winter arrived, Jane had been insulating her windows and doors for months. This sentence demonstrates that Jane started insulating her home in the past and continued to do so until the winter season arrived. Another energy-saving activity is using energy-efficient appliances. Before they moved into their new apartment, John and Sarah had been researching and purchasing energy-efficient appliances for weeks. This example shows that John and Sarah started researching and buying energy-efficient appliances in the past and continued to do so for a prolonged period of time. Turning off lights when leaving a room is a simple yet effective energy-saving practice. By the time Greg left for work, his family had been turning off lights whenever they were not needed for months. This sentence highlights how Greg's family made a habit of turning off lights over an extended period of time before Greg left for work. Similarly, reducing water usage is essential for conserving energy. Before the drought hit their region, the community had been practicing water-saving techniques for years. This example emphasizes how the community started practicing water-saving techniques in the past and continued to do so for an extended period of time before the drought occurred. In conclusion, the past perfect continuous tense is a valuable tool for describing sustained energy-saving activities that occurred in the past. By using this tense, ESL students can effectively communicate actions and processes related to energy conservation. By practicing and understanding the application of this tense, students can convey their ideas clearly and accurately in English.